Proudly family owned and managed, SUJÁN's purpose is to protect, conserve, and restore India's precious wilderness and rich cultural heritage, whilst at the same time providing our guests with highest level of service and comfort. Our travel experiences are designed for the adventurous and those looking for the extraordinary, whilst at the same time making a measurable positive impact on our planet and our local communities. A commitment to conservation has been at the heart of the SUJÁN family for generations and remains at the core of the day-to-day operations of our camps. Our projects run across several districts of Rajasthan with a focus on biodiversity, holistic community development, environmentally conscious and responsible operations, and promotion and preservation of our local traditional cultures. Over the last 22 years, we have preserved, protected, and restored the wilderness habitats in the areas we are located, helping biodiversity to thrive, ensuring that our local communities understand and benefit from the existence of each SUJÁN is a crucial element of our model. Through our initiatives that are focused on key areas such as education, health and sanitation, and employment, we impact the lives of over 22,000 people in our neighbouring communities. We have been making a measurable positive impact for decades, long before it became a trend. We invite others to do the same and for the people to choose travel that truly makes a difference.